once again, winter weather is upon us here in the Northwest. Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. And man, is it cold! My car here is saying it's 20 degrees, then it was 21 degrees, now it's 19 degrees, so it's about 20 degrees, and windy, with a wind chill factor down at about 1. So like I said, it's cold, really cold. We don't get a lot of snow here in my part of the Northwest, and how things usually work is we have really cold weather, or we have moisture, precipitation, and rain that, kind of makes it to snow, but usually doesn't. In other words, we have an Arctic blast that comes from the north, or we have warmer southerly rains that come up, so it's either wet and not freezing, or cold as heck, with nothing to come down and make snow or ice with. Maybe a couple times a year, not very often. So it's a fairly rare occasion when the cold weather mixes with the rain from the south and we have this. And what's really funny is over the last week we've had about 3/4 of an inch of rain. Now if it would have been cold then, that would have turned into what, a foot of snow? Yeah. So it's a good thing the cold weather delayed getting here. Snow is fun, it's fine, it looks beautiful. But if you have to go to work, if there's somewhere you gotta be, snow and ice sucks. Which leads me to this. If there's some place you gotta be, like where do I gotta be that I'm out here in this? Well, I gotta go get some Chinese food. I'm hungry. And the Chinese food in my town, just 4 or 5 blocks away from where I live, just really isn't that good. In fact, it's horrible. So I'm taking a quick jaunt over to the next town to get some, well, it's not even really good Chinese food. It's just so-so or okay Chinese food. Or actually just better Chinese food than is 3 or 4 blocks, 5 blocks from my house. So that's why I am out on the roads today. This morning when I got up, it was cold, 15 degrees, but there really wasn't any snow or ice on the ground. A little bit of sleet, some ice pellets on the ground, but really nothing. So going and getting my Egg McMuffin this morning was no problem. But now that it's 1 in the afternoon and I'm looking for some Chinese food, well, yeah, it's a problem. So anyways, I will quit talking. I'll let you watch the video. And really, right here, I'll just thank you for watching and tell you to leave your comments in the comment section. All right. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.